The effect of toxic household cleaners and the products to avoid. If you knew the adverse impact of some household cleaning agents on your health and the environment, you would throw them out immediately. You may have different brands of cleaning products under your sink, in your kitchen cabinet and storage area, and no doubt they have proven helpful in keeping your home clean and smelling nice. But most of these everyday cleaning products in stores contain chemicals that harm your health and the environment. Being one of the top cleaning agencies in the United Kingdom, FastKlean has continued to push for the use of safer and eco-friendly products. Also, we have been using our platform to educate our audience on the best practices to maintain an eco-friendly lifestyle, and how it will also help them lead a healthy life. You can subscribe to our platform today, if you have not done so, to get real-time updates and engagement on the best and latest eco-friendly approaches. We will enlighten you on the effect of toxic cleaning agents and the kind of products to avoid using at home. Have you wondered why you always find warnings that you should not allow some of these cleaning products to get in contact with your skin or eyes? It is because of the harmful effects they will immediately cause, such as burns, irritation, asthma attacks, watery eyes, and other health effects. Some may also promote long-term consequences, such as cancer and fertility issues, and affect the immune system, especially after prolonged use. Based on health research, toxic cleaning agents can be categorized into carcinogens, endocrine disruptors, and neurotoxins. The carcinogens products are responsible for cancer-related diseases, while the endocrine disruptors usually affect the hormones and are responsible for mixed signals in the body. And lastly, the neurotoxins are responsible for some cases of instant headache, fatigue, and memory loss, and may cause brain damage. And most of these substances are found in the household cleaning products we buy for our homes. And in the long run, they may expose you to adverse health effects, and the irony is that, like most people, you may not be aware that these cleaning products will cause such harm. However, to avoid using such hazardous products, we are going to list 4 of the cleaning products you should avoid using in your home, as shown below. Number 1. Cleaning products with artificial fragrance. You definitely will love the pleasant fragrance that accompanies most cleaning products. More people are expected to base their choice of cleaning products on the type of fragrances, as the companies continue to provide different variants based on other scents. But one thing about these products is that the companies do not reveal the ingredients used in making these products as a right to trade secrets. However, most of the elements are made up of toxic substances that are not safe health-wise and are hazardous to the environment. Therefore, we advise you to choose natural remedies such as lemon, citric fruits, or natural flowers as your fragrances, or mix them up in your natural homemade cleaning solutions. Have you experienced difficulty breathing when you used artificial fragrance? Or have you seen someone that experienced such difficulty? Please share your comment below. Let's discuss and share our experiences. Number 2. Avoid using air freshener. Air fresheners are also made of artificial substances, like cleaning products, with synthetic fragrances. They smell nice, but they are made up of hazardous substances that will affect your health and cause adverse conditions, especially when you have been exposed to them for a long time. They are responsible for respiratory sickness, cancers, and immediate asthma attacks when used in the home. Even if you do not react immediately to these substances, when they are released into the air as some people do, they will likely still cause harmful effects being exposed to them over time. To prevent offensive odor in your environment, clean regularly, take away your trash often, ensure you manage and dry wet stains and surfaces quickly, and much more. You can also use natural means, such as flowers, to provide a natural scent in your environment. Number 3. Avoid cleaning products made of bleach and ammonia. The combination of bleach and ammonia will create a toxic fume that will cause irritation, affect breathing, and lead to cancer. The mixture is typical of cleaning products and bleach solutions used for laundry. Although they may thoroughly clean your clothes, especially white ones, they will leave harsh and toxic fumes that may irritate your nose and affect your breathing. Check the labels of cleaning products and ensure you avoid those that contain the mixture. However, you should be aware that most artificial cleaning products contain this mixture, thus, you should avoid buying them to be safe. At FastKlean, we have recommended some natural remedies that are affordable and accessible. Check them out through our pages to learn about the best homemade cleaning remedies. Number 4. Products that create suds. We all like a foaming formation from our bathing soaps, hair cleaners, dishwashers, and others. But this may not only be harmful to your health, but adversely affect the environment. Products that produce suds find their way to underground and surface water bodies through drainage channels, thus polluting the water bodies. These chemicals make it difficult for humans to harness the already scarce water commodity for our consumption. Researchers have traced some cancer and breathing-related diseases to manufactured cleaning products. With the increasing rate of cancers and breathing-related sickness, one has to consider the chemicals and substances we are exposed to at home. You should follow us across our social media handles to learn more about the latest practices to stay safe with eco-friendly approaches. FastKlean is not just one of the top cleaning agencies in the United Kingdom, we are also a proactive organization for eco-friendly methods. You can learn more about how to protect the earth and stay safe and healthy through our well-researched and enlightening videos. Also, interact with others as you share experiences on our social media platforms.